Hi all, welcome to this mega channel. Today we discuss one of the best topic about the Google AdWords get call option. So this option will asking so many people. So how do we can creating for this type of ad? What is the major options for creating this campaign? So what are the options you have to follow this particular condition? So first of all, the campaign understanding is more important. If anybody, if you are not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel and ask any your question about Google AdWords, any regarding, you can comment me or you can ask me my website. Also, I will support you everything. If I'm missing any comment on your my channel, definitely recommend me and definitely will sort out your problem. Coming to this one, how to create this ad? This ad, a lot of people are worried about this one. How we can create this ad? Simple option. Go to AdWords campaign, click for new campaign. Before click the new campaign, there's option name is called tool. Click for conversion option. In this conversion, we have selected the new conversion option. Here will be website, app, phone call, call for ads, call for a number or on your website, click or number on mobile sites, import. Here click this option. They can first of all conversion we have to create. The conversion action we can add on your particular campaign thing. In this call from ads using call extension or call only ads, calls to your a phone number on your website, click on your number on your mobile website. So in this one, you can selecting for the first option. Click for continue. After this one, here will be phone call, add your particular budget and how many conversion will count for click interaction, only one. How many call length, click through conversion window 30 days, include conversion as and attribute model will be last click. After that, click for the create and continue. In this, only two options important. The value of the rupees and count will be only one time. After this one, you have to immediately click for this one. The conversion will be created will be in this option. Next one, we can go to option will be new campaign. In this, what are the options you're looking for? Lead generation, website traffic, or sale. In this, I'm looking for lead. I have looking for conversion. Selecting for lead. In this option name is called search. Generate customer leads with the text or call ads that show near search results of google.com or Google search partner site and more. Click here. You can add your particular phone number. What are the phone number you can add here? You can add your based on the location. What is my website phone number? Same I'm adding for in this option. Next, search in this. Continue. Campaign understanding is more and more important. So select here. Next one, budget selecting, maximum click. Here is the changing meeting section. I'm looking for conversion, not for the clicks. And most of the look will be option name is called conversion. Next, more setting. Here you can selecting option name is called your conversion. What are the conversion selecting here? And n number of conversion will be there, but I have only one conversion. Which one? Phone call lead conversion is there. There is my looking for conversion, not for clicks. Most of the people convert into the my business calls. Next option. Here they will show the two option, search and display. In this, we can go with the option name is called search network. In this, selecting by the location. One more I remember here. What are the location you can again target by here? Language. Alignment will be particular audience alignment. You can select by the each and every audience will be here. More setting. Anything. Start date, end date, schedules, campaign, every option. Click for next. Here, what are the keywords you have? Add the keyword. So right now, I'm adding for just I'm showing purpose, adding the based on the keyword. Here, one thing remember, any keywords adding for totally they're showing for three matches. One is called broad match, exact match, phrase match option. Is it clear? This is a particular option. Here, this is a previous campaign will be occupied in this option. So this option I have to remove it here. Why? Because previous campaign as is they will be coming to this campaign. So that is because they overlap the previous campaign. So here, start new. Previous I'm adding for the old campaign. Looking for conversion. Setting, same here. Click for next. Here, now you see. Previous they're showing for search and display. Now it's showing for only for search network. What is that? Previous I'm replace the campaign. This I'm showing purpose. Now this campaign only for looking for here. Ads can appear near Google search, including Google search partner also. If you are looking for Google search partner, not looking for, just leave it. Or here. So now I'm targeting India. Language, more options, same. After final one, which one we can add your website link, get keywords. Matches are three important. So here, direct phone number visible to customer. But here, if you create this ad will be most of these eligible for mobile devices. So they can see here, the showing preview will be mobile devices option. So this is nothing but we can target by the mobile devices. Add the final URL. Here verify URL is asking for only for two title, two description. Company name is common. Only writing for option will be here. Services. Hyderabad. So I'm adding this ad to show to will be particular customers. See this option. In 1,000 rupees, I have the clicks will be 28. The budget will be 35 rupees and 32 paisa will be CPC charges. Done. How many ads you can add? That all will be created. The ad name is called call ad. The ad name will be called call ad. So after click for next, select will be call to click option. Which one is a call out extension? Is compass important will be call extension. Click for the preview. So this will be call to click extension. Where it is visible by the into mobile and desktop. This will be now more extension, lead form extension, price extension, promotion, structures need made, everything will be here. Click for next. The final campaign is go to the customers. What are the options are here? Site link, it will be fixed by minimum. Site link option will be required. And here, what are the options looking for here? This compass I can create from in this particular option. So any conversion required, you can add the conversion option also will be available under the particular Google AdWords. The showing for conversion option, the generating code, the conversion, just add it and continue by the conversion code on your website and start the campaign. This is all nothing but call campaign. This particular will be business can appear only for on devices that make phone call when is potential customer click your ad option. So this ad will be created by the way select option name is called Lead generation is search, select your phone call, and create the campaign. In this campaign, any regarding doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you how to create and how to generating leads by get the call option. Call option will be previous discussed with the map. This will be without using the map option. It will be only targeted by the phone call option to the particular devices. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.